Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a beautiful professional website using the Namecheap website builder. No coding needed, let's get started. What is Namecheap website builder? Namecheap's website builder is a free drag and drop tool that comes with many of their hosting plans. It lets you design a full website easily using pre-built blocks and templates without needing a developer. Quick features: free with hosting, mobile responsive designs, easy drag and drop, templates for blogs, business sites, portfolios, and more. Once you buy hosting with Namecheap, log into your dashboard, go to hosting list, find your domain, click manage, and then click website builder. If you don't see it, make sure your hosting plan includes website builder like Stellar Shared Hosting. Host up to 3 websites with the CMS of your choice. Include free website builder like that. You can use the Stellar plan for affordable price and you can also try this feature but later. After launching Website Builder, you will see dozens of modern templates like business, personal, online store, blog, portfolio. Pick a template that fits your style. You can customize everything later. Now we are in the editor. It's super easy to use. Click on any text to edit it. Drag sections like about, services, contact. Add new elements like images, buttons, galleries from forms. You can adjust layouts, colors, fonts, and even rearrange sections with simple clicks. Always save your changes often. Click Save at the top. Need more pages? Just click Pages, then Add New and select from here Home, About Us, Services, Blog, or Contact. You can duplicate styles from your home page to keep your whole site looking consistent. Before publishing, click Preview to see how your site looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Once you're happy, hit Publish. Your site goes live instantly on your domain. Now, why Namecheap? You will find their support team to be everything you need in teams terms of friendly and helpful assistant. These are real people who are ready to help you out with any issue on 24-hour and 7 days basis. Privacy and security. At Namecheap, they prioritize your online privacy and security, and they support the rights of individuals and consumers. Online ad all times. Keeping the internet open, free, and safe for all users comes first for us. Your business online, finding industry premium hosting services and products at affordable prices will hugely benefit your business. All our services are here to provide you with an improved internet experience. Namecheap web hosting benefits. Never pay for hosting migration. Go easy on your wallet. Expect and receive 24 and 7 days hour support 7 days support. Sit back and relax. Then you can share you can use business email from here. Just select a plan or free trial for 5 mailboxes included, 75 GB or 75 gigabyte for emails, full mobile sync support, docs, sheets, or presentations. You can contact with their email address, then live chat, and here's the features, email features like secure webmail, secure email storage, two-factor authentication, jellyfish anti-spam protection, SMTP, IMAP, POP3, and many other features. And that's it. Your professional website is live with Namecheap website builder. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy website tutorials and share your site link in the comments. I would love to check it out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.